Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about this Millimont adjustable electric bed frame. You guys, this is so cool. It's just the bed frame, which means that you can use the mattress you already have or keep shopping on Amazon and find your new mattress for a really amazing bed that's going to be so comfortable and fit you perfectly. This is really cool because it has independent inclines on both the head and your feet. The head will adjust to an angle of up to 60 degrees, your feet up to 45 degrees. You can find the position that is absolutely perfect for you and perfect for every occasion, whether you are just reading a book or watching TV before bed, or maybe at night you want to keep your head inclined a little bit if you have acid reflux or you snore, if you're pregnant, recovering from surgery, any reason, you can find the perfect position for you. Even if it's just for comfort, I know it feels so good to have that foot incline a little bit for me, takes my knee pain away, and I wake up feeling amazing. So this is such a great way and such an affordable way to get one of those fancy adjustable beds for a fraction of the price. And it's super easy. All you do, put this in your cart, order it from Amazon. It's gonna be at your house in a few days. And all you do is basically take it out of the box. It assembles super fast. I mean, under 10 minutes, and you are gonna have an amazing adjustable bed that suits your needs perfectly. It's crazy easy, a very simple remote, not a ton of buttons, nothing confusing. It's just going to work effortlessly and be exactly what you need. So go ahead and put this in your cart. You're gonna be so glad that you did.